In this guide, I'll show you how to add bots to your Discord server using your phone. If this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. So, I'm currently on the Discord mobile app, setting up a new server, and I want to add a few bots maybe for moderation or extra features. However, you can't add bots directly from the mobile app, so the first step is to exit Discord and open a web browser. I'm using Safari on my iPhone, but any browser will work just fine. Once you're there, search for the Discord app directory. When it loads, head over to the Bots section at the top. From here, you can either search for a specific bot using the search icon or explore different categories. For example, I'll browse the Moderation and Tools category. Let's say I want to add Carbot. I'll tap on it, then hit the plus button next to its name. Next, you'll be asked to log into your Discord account. After signing in, scroll down and choose the server where you want to install the bot. Select your server, tap Continue, review the permissions, and then press Authorize. Once that's done, the bot will be successfully added. Now, if you go back to the Discord app, you'll see the bot in your server, ready for setup and use. And that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.